What's that?
When it's quiet like this, they call it riot quiet, like the calm before a storm.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Or it just means it's quiet. Did you see anyone in here?
No? Something missing?
Why would something be missing?
If I was worried someone had been in my spot, I'd worry someone took something.
I'm not worried. Someone was in my spot.
No?
Oh, no.
Then why'd you ask if I saw someone in there?
Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm not looking at you anyway.
Like you know me.
Larry, what the?
Is that a question? Because that's one thing you do. You ask a lot of questions.
Where's this coming from?
That was a question.
Okay, Larry.
Okay. Okay, what?
I'm gonna leave you to it. Whatever this is,